Sandra Hoffman is an innovative and inspiring executive who has successfully provided leadership to technology and manufacturing professionals for over 25 years.
Whenever I'm asked to describe my background, I can only describe it as sort of an eclectic gadfly type of background. I started my career out as a teacher. I still have this overwhelming urge to decorate bulletin boards at the beginning of the year, but technology is where I was born. I come second generation IBMer, and I've grown up with it, and I've understood the difference that it makes in the world.
Sandy's management philosophy, leadership characteristics, and business results have been acknowledged by numerous industry recognitions. She has been awarded Mentor of the Year by Pathbuilders, twice recognized as a finalist for Woman of the Year in Technology, and in 2003, she was awarded the Georgia CIO of the Year in the regional category by the Georgia CIO Leadership Association.
When I think about having been honored with that recognition, I go, gee, I'm not done yet. If I could only have the graciousness of a Becky Blaylock, the polish of a John Cyril, the innovativeness of a Brian Shields. Those models are important, and they're important to CIOs, their peers. It's important to the generation that's coming behind them.
She has been featured in leading publications, including CIO and CFO Magazine, CIO Insight, CIO Quarterly, Workforce Management, Human Resource Executive, and Pink Magazine. Sandy has repeatedly demonstrated her exceptional strength of character and leadership, as well as her ability to serve as a change agent. Particularly adept at addressing issues associated with acquired and merged businesses, Sandy has frequently been recruited to address the most difficult and challenging environments.
So from being a general manager of an early stage business up in Boston to serving as chief people officer for an ERP software company, and then taking on the role of CIO, which I have to tell you frankly, I burst into tears when my CEO asked me to be the CIO for the organization, because it stood for career is over, and how wrong I was. It was an opportunity to apply all of the skills that I had developed over years.
Sandy currently serves as CIO in residence with the Advanced Technology Development Center at Georgia Tech, a nationally recognized science and technology incubator that helps Georgia entrepreneurs launch and build successful companies. Sandy's influence reaches beyond her professional undertakings, and she is very engaged in her community with the promotion of technology and ethical leadership. She currently serves as president and board director for Women in Technology, and as a member of the Tech Bridge and the Technology Association of Georgia Board of Directors. Previously, Sandy served as the board of directors for AAA Auto Club South, as chairman for the Board of Directors for Society of Human Resource Management Atlanta, and compensation committee chair for Acrometrics Board of Directors. Sandy currently participates on numerous advisory boards, including AAA Auto Club Georgia, Verima, TurkNet Leadership Group, and the University of Georgia Terry College of Business Atlanta Leadership Symposium. She serves as honorary chair of Tech Execs. Twice a year, she hosts over 300 people for charity benefit events at her home. Please join us in congratulating Sandra Hoffman.